School, attention. Sanities, attention. Please in your hands, close eyes, let's pray. God our Father, we thank you for giving us this day. We thank you for giving us to our school. Bless us with good health and enlighten our minds to revelations that will be taught this day. Help us to be ambitious, beautiful and disciplined. Teach us to love our parents, brothers and sisters, teachers and friends. Bless our school, our state, and our country. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. School, stanzas. Please take page number 26, roll number 9. Walking with the Lord. Walking with the Lord, we are walking in the morning. Lift up your hearts for your walking with. Singing to the Lord, we are singing sunshine. Lift up your hearts for your singing to God. Hand in hand with everyone, we're walking, walking. Black and white and brown together, walking, walking. Singing new songs now, living new lives, building new bridges. Walking distant miles, we are walking with the Lord. We are walking in the morning. Lift up your hearts for your walking with God. Singing to the Lord, we are singing in the sunshine. Lift up your hearts for your singing to God. Rain and storm will not prevent us walking, walking. Faith and hope and love will send us walking, walking. Crossing all barriers, climbing all stars, breaking through fences. Walking distance miles, we are walking with the Lord. We are walking in the morning. Lift up your hearts for your walking with God. Singing to the Lord, we are singing in the sunshine. Lift up your hearts for your singing to God. Good morning, respected principal, vice principal, headmistress, sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, on this pleasant morning, with the students of Class 6C who conduct the morning assembly on the topic using of unfair means in the examination. Any attempt by a student to gain unfair advantage over another student in the examination or assist someone in gaining an unfair advantage is termed as unfair means. In short, unfair means refers to cheating. Next, one of my friends will speak on the topic.
Unfair means include any paper, book, note, or any unauthorized material which has relevance to the syllabus of the examination paper concerned. Next, one of my friends will speak on the topic.
It is an evil practice and it degrades the moral values of students. The students who pass any examination by using unfair means do not get any good job and cannot serve the nation. Next, one of my friends will speak on the topic.
Every time you cheat, you are not learning skills and lessons that could be important on in your life. You will regret in future. Next, one of my friends will speak on the topic.
Students who cheat in the examination will feel guilty and suffer from low self-esteem in future. These loss of self-respect can lead to another problems like difficulties with their careers, families, and other important aspects of life. Next, one of my friends will conclude the topic.
Dear friends, let us make a strong and firm decision today that we will never use any unfair means in this coming final examination. Let us work hard and get the reward of our hard labor.
Good morning, my dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Today is a beautiful day. with Saniwala Ram, and I have a great achiever, a very talented, and his name is Kontozam Hansen Singh, Class 5, Section E, Roll number 13. In the 5th National Archery Championship held from 7 to 16 January 2023 at Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, she bagged so many goals. He is a silver medalist in Olympic round, silver medalist in individual round, gold medal in mixed team, and gold medal in team event. So please give a big round of thunderous applause for your wonderful, great achiever. And to honor him, may I have the privilege to call upon respected Principal, Reverend Father Dr. Stephen Tautan, to have this great honor. Another good news is that he is from the locality Naramlekai. Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning, Father. Well, once again, we are very proud of our friend Kontozam Hansen Singh for bringing laurels to our school. Once again, let us give her a big round of applause. Others also try to get medals, okay? All are not meant to become IAS officers, right? All are not meant to become IPS officers, all are not meant to become engineers and doctors. Some of you will become sports persons in life. But as I have already been telling you again and again, you have to study at least up to class 12, you have to pass if you want to explore life, okay? In any field. So study is not an exception.